Now I suspect that it will drop off the front, and then we'll hook some more on the back, and then let the Martian do a little bit of work. So we'll pull a couple more out, and we'll be ready for the next one round. We've got another Explorer, and then the Scavell, the EKA. Now he's only a 6.4 vehicle, so he won't do any pulling today. We'll use it for a little bit of ballast. So this is a petrol engine Explorer just pulling up behind. Now we've kept this in the family. That vehicle is something that I bought that vehicle from a friend of mine in Holland, hence we keep the Dutch plates on it. It's known as a Dutch Scavell, and it's still original and it'll be kept that way. So it's still got its petrol engine, and